A shooting in town 2 nights ago, so I decided to go two-stepping. What? No, 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 no. Oh my fuck. Oh my. Oh my god.
Okay, so today we're gonna be doing some Mazda Civic. This time we're not gonna be doing anything on the exterior. It's gonna be on the inside. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be doing like a custom fabric on the doors, so we can get rid of that Hawkeye's door piece. I'm gonna make a shift boot out of it, and we're gonna do the headliner.
Yo, who's ready for infrasound? Dude, you ready to go to infrasound? Dude, who's got a hula hoop?
But yeah, we have this really cancerous Galaxy material that we're gonna be using, because I don't know, Subaru people like to do gay stuff to their Subarus, like put Galaxy stuff in it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing.
We gotta get some vapes.
We should get we should fucking make like a vape thing for like right by like the.
We should put a built-in vape into the car.
That'd be lit.
Somebody was
That'd
selling
be a good
that
video.
on eBay.
We're gonna take the door cards out and the headliner out, and then yeah, I don't know. I probably won't show it because I don't have a tripod, because I broke it because it made my camera fall, and I got mad I broke it because it's been broken for a while. Allahu Akbar. I'll blow your house down. 3 million people died in 9/11. I got the driver one out now. This probably isn't factory, but I'm going to take all these out and take this piece out.
430.
They almost got the headliner out. Drop a like if we should leave it like this.
You guys more headroom.
Drop a like if we should leave it like this. Alright, it looks really bad. It looks like Minecraft because the pattern repeats so much. But you can only get the fabric in like 1 yard wide, and this is like just a little over 3 feet wide. So we're gonna do 2 3.5 foot pieces. So we're gonna need 7 feet out of this, which is like only to like here. And then the rest, I don't know, we'll cut for like a shift boot and those pieces. I jammed the sewing machine, so in the meantime we'll just do the door piece. I have this cut, it's like 1 foot by 1 yard. And then we got this spray adhesive. This is like $10, and I'm gonna spray that on there, and then I'll lay the fabric on, make sure it's smooth, and then I'll let it dry. Apparently I didn't press record when I did this, but I'm just gonna let this dry for a bit, and then I'm gonna cut it out and I'm gonna put it back in the door, and then I will resume the video. But it's okay, I'll just show the other one. Actually, I don't know, it looks pretty good to me. I mean, it is rice, but this is broken, and sometimes my window comes off the track, so I would definitely break one of these if I got a new one and then the window fell off. I have to get a new door too because I don't feel like dealing with that, and we have that weird rust spot. But yeah, Gavin's trying to get the other door off, but I'll get it out, and then I don't know. I need to stop saying I don't know.
You do. You really fucking do.
It's bad. I used to say a lot, and then Caleb got me to stop. So this one had the OEM one, and it had like plastic rivets on, so it's not good. I broke it a little, but now I got to cut out another piece of fabric. This is also done, so I'll probably do that in the same time lapse. So we just had to run into town to get some stuff to wire up a light bar that we're going to be putting on, and it's a little bit dark now. Jordan got this sick drift charm for us in Arizona, so hyped on that. But while we were in town, we were letting the headliner dry. So yeah, I mean, you can see I got it pretty good. There's only like right here, I had to put like a little seam because it just, I couldn't get it, but this should be dry enough. One thing I don't like about this is my camera not autofocusing.
If I would have just threw this at Jordan's car right now, you'd get pissed. A little bit.
But actually, we have to mount the light bar first before we put the headliner in. So then we can just like route it through.
Just beast mode. Excellent.
So how we have the wires going in is I just deleted the antenna, and then it's in right there, and then they come out right here, and then we're just going to put it to more wire and then to the battery. But we're also going to use this switch to turn it on and off. This is what we were going to use for the two-step. So one will be on and one will be off. While I finished up the other door that you can't see, Gavin and Jordan wired up the light bar, if you want to turn it on, off and on. So how we have it wired up, which you can't even see, we have like a pull chain, but we lost like the rest of it, so we're gonna have to get more. But yeah, if you wanna. So it's like turning on a light on a ceiling fan. So we're gonna go test it out. So the park is on the other side of the channel, and there's a bunch of people over there that are fishing, so we're gonna go and flash them with the light bar.
Do you have the lights off?
There they are. They're pissed. Fuck. Should I strobe it? Should I strobe it? I'm done. I'm fucking done.
Go back up in two-step.
Should I two-step? Drop a like if I should two-step.
You should four-step.
Yeah, I'm gonna four-step.
Fucking haul ass out of here.
Do it.
I can't. Do you see how bad that road is?
Two-step.
Alright.
No, you gotta do it past those people in that car.
Here you go.
That was a car.
Two-step. Oh, you know what? I'll two-step when we move down some. You can actually see, surprisingly. The lighting's good on the camera. I shouldn't hit that. Oh yeah. Yep, rally car. Oh yeah. Good thing we don't have coilovers.
Two-step past this car.
What do you think that is? There are people in there?
Yeah,
They're
probably
probably
fucking.
They're smoking.
They fucking.
They're smoking up. They're looking. All right. Go. Gotta give them the sauce. Those are the loudest two steps yet.
They are.
No lie. Those are the loudest two steps yet. Fuck. That smells. That's how you know it's good. We shot flames. God damn. I love this car. Off camera, I put the headliner back in. There's, I don't know how, yeah, I love this. This is sick. Above my pinky, I don't know how this goes in, so I have to check a car at a junkyard, but me and Jared went to a junkyard yesterday.
Jared and I.
Same thing. And I got Rolly Boys And I got this because the hatches, it just goes straight back, so I got this so I can put stuff in there. So I have to wrap this now too. We're gonna wire up the 2-step to right there, and I got a rear view mirror now, and then they only had one of these, so I have one, and then I have to get another one yet. Yeah, so I guess next I'm gonna take the center out and make a new shift boot, and I'm gonna do this too. So I accidentally forgot to film this, but I wrapped this. I kept like the fabric on it, and then I kept like the soft fabric on it, and then I just sprayed the adhesive over it, and then I wrapped it, and that tucked pretty well. It's got some of the folds, but that's how the OEM one was. And then I also got this button in, so like you hold it, and then it's on, and then when you let off, it's off. I figure out how I'm gonna get that to stay in there. But I'm also gonna wire that up. Come on, man, you're gonna get me demonetized. This is all I have.
Sorry, Dad.
And then I got all of this cut apart. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trace it with this, have them inside out, and then I'm just gonna weld it. Yes, I'm gonna weld it.
You're gonna weld it.
I'm gonna sew a seam on it, and I'm gonna do the same for all of them. So you sew it like this, inside out, and then you flip it inside out, and then it looks like this. So here it all is, all put back together and done. Got the center console, the doors, the headliner, the shift boot. Sorry about the bad lighting. But yeah, I don't know, it's pretty cool. Sorry I didn't go too in depth on how to do all this stuff, but I mean, I guess it's kind of self-explanatory and you can figure it out on your own. Also got the button for the 2-step wired in, so I'll show you that. So you guys may or may not have noticed the Lolly seat covers are no more, for now at least. It just looks a little bit more like a legitimate car without them. It looks like less of a piece of crap. Still gotta fix the roof rack before Super D. I'm gonna end the video here, and hopefully this inspired you to put gay Galaxy crap in your Subaru, or you can be like Robert and you can put, yes I can say gay.
That's demonetized.
No.
That's defamatory.
No. Woo! Or you can be like Robert and want to put ET headliner in your Forester. But yeah, more power to you. So, subscribe if you're new, and bye.